Hi folks, welcome to Celebrity Cars. My name is Andrew. Basically, I go through some of the cars here at the dealership. Me and Scott and I, like in condition report, we show the dents, the scratches, basically just condition on the vehicle. Here, I'm proud to say we have a beautiful 1995 Camel Trophy Tribute vehicle, all set up for all-road, off-road driving, and on-road. We're going to just take a look at, see what's worn, see what's good, what's bad, basically go over the vehicle. So Quincy, we'll start at the front here. This is a beautiful winch. You can tell it's pretty new. And you have lights at the bottom down here. I don't know if you want to sign down here. You have lights down here as well, so you can see the road for, if you're traveling at night, obviously in the off-road, you can see where bumps and jumps and bits and pieces are. This was newly constructed about 2 years ago. This is a wrap in this vehicle. So the wrap right up here. This all looks good. There's a little bit of, that's going to be replaced, just FYI folks. This will be replaced, so it will. We'll come to the side here. This is nice, newly wrapped. Down here, wheels and tires. Tires are all in good shape. As I say, it's done very minimal driving since been built 2 years ago. If you can get inside there, Quincy, you can see inside brand new suspension, Emu suspension on as well, new Ashcroft diffs. Door, obviously, of the Camel Trophy, the iconic Camel Trophy, which they ran in the 80s and 90s. They used Range Rovers at the start and then they used Defenders. Glass and all is good shape. Here you can see mirror, there's no cracks, no war. That's all original. Open the driver's doors here. Door card, good shape. Wood is not cracked. That's brand new. This is all in good working order. Small crack right here. But this was body off restoration. A little bit of a slice right here. Brand new seats, all been reskinned at Cat Skins. Dash is in fabulous shape. No cracks, no damage. You can shine on the wood there. That's all brand new wood. That's all been refurbished. All right. This is all fabulous right here. Door, everything in here. Small little dent right there. Here's the rears. No scratch, no dings, no gouges. Seats, as I say, is all brand new. You got a fire extinguisher in this vehicle as well. Everything looks good. Should put the lights on in here. Scott! No lights? That's good. All right. Don't matter. Never mind. Wheels and tires. Small little bit right there. Come in the back here. This is all fabulous right here. This is all good right here. Small little bit of wear right here. And here from the wrap. Right, folks, so this is the rear here. I took out the spare tire. I had the spare tire right here, so I am going to put it back right here. It's too big because it's got off-road tires to put it in the original spot right here. Anyway, this is all good right here. In here, I kept all the basically the compressor stuff and the tools to take off wheels, and there's a nut gun in there as well to take off the wheels in this vehicle. If you could, if you decide to go off-roading, which this is totally built for. Come in here, this is all fabulous here. Wrap. Lights are in all good shape, no cracks, no damage, they're all original. This side here looks good. You have the Land Rover logo right there. Wheels and tires, all in good shape. Coming back to the rear here. A lot of money spent in this vehicle. This door here, door card here, looks fabulous. There's your Camel Trophy. These are the vents here, a little bit of air through the motor. Again, you can see no cracks on the dash. Dash is in fabulous shape. Everything's all working order. Beautiful cat skin. That'll do. I'll pop open the bonnet. This here's all good here. And this is not your average Range Rover. It has an LS3 with a 6LE transmission. There you are. We've had this vehicle probably about 2 years. I've driven it for about 2 years, not every day, but you know, when I go off-roading and you know, something for the weekend, it was basically for. But it's a real nice vehicle. You could daily this if you really wanted to. We'll take it for a spin. All right, folks, we're back in the 95 Camel Trophy Tribute Range Rover. AC's blowing nice and cold, as it should be. Right here, this is a little thing right here we installed. So it gives you this is a cold vehicle, so obviously it's building up in temperature. You can take a look at the temperature, you can take a look at oil pressure, everything else on there, which is quite handy to have. All right, we'll take it for a spin here. This vehicle doesn't have any ABS anymore. It has been disconnected, so you got normal brakes. Shift's good. As I say, you could daily this. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Click that in right. Hitting the speed bumps here. We'll go up through the gears here. It's a nice driving vehicle. Yes. I'm gonna miss it. It was fun. You need to get gas. But other than that, yeah, it drives great. It's very, very tight. No wobble off the steering, doesn't pull anywhere. Very, very well engineered vehicle. Drives good. The only thing with these things is it's got so much power. You got a bit of torque steer. If you come out of a corner too quick and you floor it, you might get that torque steering off it because of driving the front wheels. But honestly, it's be driving this as if you stole it. It's an off-road vehicle. And you sit nice and high up too. It's nice. Anyway, folks, it'll be on celebritycars.com. Give myself, Andrew, or Ryan a call. It should be up on the website here soon. 702-818-1031. It's got a camera. Forgot to mention that. But yeah, give us a shout. Car will be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.